ask about on Facebook, on beautyiq.com. I mean, take a look at the size of this. It's like half my face here that you're getting. An incredible value. The featured price disappears at the end of the month for $38.18. And when you think about the opportunity of just what a large value this is, you will have this for months and months and months. It is a $288,222. When you take a look at just the compact itself, it doesn't look like any other powder you've ever seen before.
Well, because this is baked and there are lots of different colors in this foundation. So it's color correcting. You've got the highs, the lows, the bronze. It's beautifully done. And there are actually 7 different shades for you to choose from on beautyiq.com, which is really, really lovely because you get some nice custom color with this. And that's really what Laura is known for. Now, I don't know what color you had, Courtney, in your hand.
I had light.
You had light. I have medium, and you can see that medium has a couple of more of these like kind of bronzy copper tones.
Can you show the difference, just like the side?
Let's put them right next to each other.
I'm light.
So that's light, and here is medium. And Jillian is going to show us really the magic of this when applying it to the face, because it really does give you this gorgeous complexion overall. So there's Jillian.
I'm wearing, hi guys.
Hi Jillian.
Hi Jillian.
I'm wearing the light, just so you know.
Okay.
And this is enormous, the biggest thing I've ever seen. So here's the thing with Balance and Brighten. Balance and Brighten is a blend of 6 different color correcting pigments. And the beauty of Laura Geller is that when she created this, she did this long before CC creams and BB creams and anybody was doing anything. She literally took 6 nuances of each tone that would be in your shade. If you were fair, if you were light, if you were deep, because our skin is not one solid color. So for it to look really multidimensional, if you're someone whose skin changes a lot, if you get more red, or if it changes color through the course of the day, or if you struggle because you're in between, you're like, oh, I'm not really light, but I'm not really medium. She created this for you. So it adjusts to your skin as you wear it. That's the coolest part about it, and that's why this baked is better. It's loaded with hydration. It's so natural. It really has, I want to call, probably a satin finish to it. It's not luminous, but
it's not
flat.
matte either,
Well, you know, one of the things that I appreciate about Balance and Brighten, to your point of that it's multi-dimensional color, this is one of the only foundations that I wear where I feel like I don't have to contour, I don't have to highlight, because you do have that color variation. Sometimes when I wear powder foundations and it makes your skin all one color, it's kind of strange in a sense, because that's not what you wake up to every day. So to having this multi-dimensional color that kind of moves with your skin all throughout the day, I find myself, that's why I go back to Balance and Brighten all the time.
Yeah, because your skin is not just one color on its own either. And what's really cool about this is the fact that you're getting a lot of this foundation. This is the deluxe size. I feel like we should have called this like the super duper size.
I know.
And remember guys, you're getting it for 2 payments of $19 and change, which is really lovely. Now, I have a question for you, Jillian, with regards to applying your foundation. What tips would you give to our ladies at home who, you know, maybe aren't used to the terms full coverage versus light coverage? How do we go about using this?
Okay, now you can use any brush you want. I just happen to adore, and I know Laura does, like a big fat brush when putting on foundation, because I think it gives you more play. So to do a really light coverage, because this is very light to more full coverage, it depends on how you want to wear it. So get yourself a fluffy brush. Look at the density of this one. This is just a big old fluffy brush. I'm sure you have one
And
at
that
home.
comes with it, by the way.
It does?
It does.
Oh.
Nope,
No.
That's the other one. That's the other one.
Yeah,
Sorry.
not this one.
Sorry,
this
sorry,
is the deluxe
I got
size.
excited.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, don't hate me.
No, but most women have a really big fluffy brush at home. So take your big fluffy brush, start at the center. All this coloration on the face always starts at the center. Go from the center and very lightly buff. I want you to do semicircular motions. I want you to buff and buff everywhere, and it doesn't have to be fancy. Just buff, buff, buff. This is technically airbrushing. This is what airbrushing does. I think everyone tries to make everything complicated. Seriously, you can be your own airbrusher if you just buff and buff and buff, because airbrush just means it's like silk stockings. So this gives the illusion of a veil on the skin of silk stockings. Now to Alberti's point, now we want it maybe more full coverage.
Right.
If you want something more full coverage, you can either take a sponge and use it, or you can take a brush and make it more dense. So see how dense it is now?
So it picks up more.
It picks up more, but now I'm not gonna do that airbrushing motion. I'm gonna do a more stippling motion. So for more full coverage, let's do full coverage on, say, this side. I'm gonna go in and do this, and you will see the difference.
And you don't tap off the excess ever?
No, I mean, you can. It's
Okay.
not, that's not like, it just depends. If I think I picked up too much, then I will.
Okay, and then remember guys, Jillian is wearing the light right now. And that's one of 7 different shades that are available for you to see on beautyiq.com. Now I know that JM in our chat asked if she could see the medium again. And Courtney, if you don't mind, can I see your lights so that we can just put them right next to each other? I do not have a deep at the studio, JM, so I'm very, very sorry. This one is the light. This one is the medium. But remember, if you go to beautyiq.com, you will see all the different complexions that we color match them for.
Which always amazes me because I do think if you're shopping with us for the first time, it's nice to be like, okay, I'm more similar to her. So I'm gonna gravitate towards that powder collection. And you can read the reviews as well because women are very wonderfully descriptive about how they feel about different shades. And you know, a bunch of you asked me on Facebook what shade I have. Normally in other collections, I'm a medium, but for Laura Geller Balance and Brighten, I go for the light, and I appreciate that because I think, Jillian, to your point, when you stipple, I can have a little bit of a dark, warmer coverage if I need to, but then if it's a day where I haven't used self-tanner, then I can use the fluffier brush.
Right. Well, I'm full coverage now. Like in that quick, do you see the difference?
Wow.
It's more beat. It's more beat up. It's more beat. You know that's an industry term. It's more beat, which just means you like kind of like beat with the makeup.
Beat.
I got beat with the makeup.
On beat.
But it doesn't look hard or thick or scary. It just looks polished and finished.
Yay, Travis. Travis actually went and got me the deep. So there's the medium. And then right after that, there is a golden medium, and then there is a tan, and then here is the deep. And then wait, then you have the light. So Courtney has the light right next to her. But really, if you go to beautyiq.com, you'll see the different complexions that these work with. And then this one, oh, there's the tan. So let me just put the tan and the deep right next to each other so you can see that. This one is the tan. That one is the deep. $38.18 or 2 payments of $19 and change to get these home. But they are ginormous. They will last a very long time.
Man, it's like the size of my hand.
I know. It's like a hockey, it's bigger than a hockey puck.
It is bigger than a hockey puck.
I've not played a lot of hockey, but I do know that. So go to beautyiq.com, use this item number or call that number on your screen and check those out over there. But we are on to the next step of our flawless, gorgeous look for the red carpet.
Yes. This